Hello and welcome back. Lately, 90s grunge makeup has been trending, so I put a 2020 for spin on it. Priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud. I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics The New Classics palette for this look, and I'm setting my lids with the cream shade. Throughout this, I'm going to include some high school pictures to show some of the inspo I drew from. Here I was, 17, and a huge fan of black eyeliner. Going in with the shade Noir to create a dark base and the shape I want. As a teen, I was one of the alt-emo kids at school from 2004 to 2007. It involved a lot of black eyeliner, eyeshadow, and mascara. This is actually close to the look I ended up doing. I was 16, deep side part, black long bob, too much black eyeshadow. Lol. This look screams trust the process lol. Here I'm using a mix of cream and noir and blending the edges to soften everything. Topping the lids with the shade Black Cherry. It's a black metallic with a fine red sparkle throughout. Me at 18, still obsessed with heavy black eyeliner and eyeshadow lol, but also bring me the horizon. Using a smaller brush to really get into the inner corners. Highlighting the brow bone with the metallic cream shade in Blinc. Using the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer in the Hydrating formula. Concealing with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo concealer in Light Ivory. Me again at 17. I was such an interesting teenager. Low-key miss MySpace though. Layering on my concealer under my eyes a little heavier, my dark circles were out in full force today. Finishing my base with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110 Ivory. If you haven't tried this combo, you have to. It's an equal mix of the two and they look so good together. Setting just the center of my face with the Coty Spun powder in translucent. I decided to cream contour with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Beauty Wand in Light. I should have used a brush. The sponge took off too much of the product. Setting the rest of my face, pressing in, then lightly dusting away the extra powder. Topping the contour with the bronzer from the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. Using the Beauty in a Blinc Glow Getter Face Palette Blush in shade Resilient. Using the same face palette to highlight using the shade Empowered. Framing the bottom lash line with the shade Black Cherry. Melting the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Filling in my brows a little darker for balance with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. Unlike the 90s grunge makeup I was obsessed with in high school, adult me refuses to overpluck my brows again. They struggled to grow back as much as they did lol. Setting my brows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift. I'm combing them to look thinner for a similar thin brow effect. I was almost 18 here and had stopped plucking my brows, so they're pretty similar to how they are now. Going in heavy with the Tristique eyeliner in Santorini Black Sand. I didn't have nearly this nice of an eyeliner in high school lol. Loading on the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in black. I used to really cake on mascara in high school trying to emulate 90s grunge makeup I saw in movies and magazines lol. I swear, bottom lash mascara makes your eyes look bigger. Filling in the lips with the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind lip liner in shade Mocha. A darker look is a must for 90s grunge, either a dark cool tone or a darker red. Topping the lip liner with the Be Bombshell lip gloss in the shade Tempted. It has a fine sparkle in it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.